Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and the best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. So this is a unique trailer. This is a 2017 Featherlite 3-horse bumper pull with a extra large dressing room. It's 52 inches, so it is a big dressing room with a big window in it. So if you wanted to put a cot or something in the front to sleep in this trailer, you could. So it is 7 tall, 7 wide, charcoal in color. It is all aluminum. It does have the aerodynamic nose, so it is at a point. Has the full gravel guard up the front, 2 5/16 ball, pretty sure. Yeah. It does have some scratches on the nose, one dent here, a few scratches. They're not real visible from a distance, but wanted to point those out up close. Minimal. Those are minimal, I would call. Got a little bit here. A couple more places there. So just a couple of scratches on that nose. It does have full running boards. I'm going to come back around to that dressing room. So it's got 3 drop-down windows with the nice bars. A couple of scratches here up along this door and right here. All in all, this trailer is in excellent condition. It's actually a 2-owner trailer, but the first owner never put horses in it. Second owner only had it for a small amount of time and got a living quarters trailer. So the trailer has had minimal use. So it does have double rear doors, collapsible rear tack. It does have the rubber bumpers. We just washed it, so you'll see some water kind of in the floor in here. Roof vents. It does have added fans, big slider windows on the rear. They're real big. Got 2 aluminum dividers and tie rings on the divider as well as on the wall. Horse box is immaculate. Like I said, it's really not had horses in it. So the horse box is very big. If you wanted to haul a golf cart, if you wanted to haul other things, this trailer would be very useful for that. If you have an RV, this would be a great lightweight trailer to pull in a 3-horse with a big dressing room. All right. Don't really see any issues on this side of the trailer. It's got 1 tie ring on this side. I'm gonna assume there's 2 tie rings on the other side. I'm getting ready to go back around that other side. So you can kind of see how big this dressing room is. I'll have the measurements for the length of this trailer on the website with the ad. I believe the lady told me it's 24 or 26 long. Don't hold me to that in the video. I'll have the actual measurement again on the ad on carolinatrailersales.com. I'm gonna give you the model number of this trailer before I step into the dressing room. And so the model of this trailer is a 9409-673H-STD. Again, it is a 2017 Featherlite. I'm going to say this was a custom built trailer. That's what I kind of think. So it does have a camper door. And of course, it has the full running boards to step up in the trailer. I'm not going to put this on the expanded yet. Try to give you an idea, but this dressing room is huge. Now I'm going to do an expanded. It's huge. A lot of room. It's got that big window in it. You can put the saddle rack in the front if you want. If you collapse that rear tack and need it for something else, you can put that saddle rack in here. So just have a brush box, a set of bridle hooks, but a super big dressing room. Added footage. Spare tires in here as well. All right, guys, so 2017. Three-horse bumper pull with extra large dressing room. This is Carolina Trailer Sales. The best way to reach me, 828-773-4500. Thanks a lot, guys.